Today, we are gonna answer the #1 most scientific question that is out there on the internet, and it is, how long does it take Lena Miculek to load and shoot exactly 41 rounds? All of these rounds will be coming from my belt, and then lastly, my match saver. Are we ready, folks? Let the chaos begin. Oh no! Oh gosh! Keep it going! Almost there, you see nothing. More! Oh my gosh. I was like, oh, just a official answer is it took me 48.07 seconds. If anyone ever happens to drop you a couple boxes of ammo, you don't have anything better to do, see if you can beat it.